welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Unice Hair Company. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well because I post weekly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay y'all, so again I got this hair from Unice Hair, and I believe I'm saying that right, but it came in this box right here, and we're going to open it up. And it came with the wig itself, a cute little baggie, and oh, that's cute. The bag has again their logo on it, or their name rather. It comes with a rat tooth comb. Okay girl, some little earrings, some cute lashes, and a wig cap. And in the box again we have another wig cap, and then I guess just the like a little baggie to put your hair in once you are done with it. So let's get to this unit, you guys. And this is from or not from, girl, this is I believe 24 inches if I'm reading that right. But y'all, I'll have the specs once we get further into the video. You know how I do. We'll go through all of the specs and I'll read it off. So this is the unit, you guys. Look how cute. It's a straight unit, y'all. The hair feels so good. Really cute, and I'm loving this blonde piece. Okay y'all, so it is a 4x4 closure. Let me show you the closure. And then this is the inside. If you guys look closely, it does have that net piece right here. So let me see. So as you guys can see, it does have that net piece, and I'm pulling on it. I don't know if that's a good view, but okay, here we go. I'm pulling on it right here, so it is a net piece right there. I think I'm gonna take mine off. I've never really been a fan when I had other units that came like this, so I'm probably gonna take it off, you guys. And then yeah, I'm probably gonna take it off. But the inside of the wig, it has the two combs on the side, and then a comb at the bottom along with some lace and adjustable straps. So far you guys, we are looking and feeling good, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put her on. Okay sis, so we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace as usual with our leg spray, and then we're going to use our blow dryer to seal in the spray. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and then I'm going to use the blow dryer to seal in the spray. I'm going in with my powder to better tint the lace, and then I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free spray again and spray all along the hairline, and then blow dry it to seal in the spray. And you guys already know this just melts that hairline to perfection. So I know I said in the beginning that this was a 4x4 closure, but it's actually a T-part unit, and that's what you see me doing right here, just showing you guys that it's a T-part unit and not a 4x4 closure. Now we're gonna go ahead and style her. I'm just straightening out the part right now. Then I'm going to grab my hot comb and start to flatten out the part in the back and style up the front. So for these baby hairs, you guys, I tried to do something a little different, so it did take me a little while longer for these baby hairs, but I'm just pulling out some hair and then I'm going to cut and trim the baby hairs and use my little teeny flat iron to curl them up, and then I'm going to use my ladder body mousse to start to style them. So now that we're done with the baby hairs, we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of touch up the front with our hot comb a little bit, and then we're going to begin to flat iron the front. I didn't really touch the back as much because it was already straight, but yeah, I just touched up the front. Okay sis, so here is what we are looking like, and girl, get into the color. Like, I am really feeling this highlight. I've never had a wig like this before, and I think it looks really cute. So yeah, you guys, let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. So that was the back, you guys. So getting into the details of this hair, let me pull it up. So on the website, it says that this is their highlight Ombre TL27 straight human hair lace part wig. It's 150% density and it is 24 inches. And as well, you guys, it is a T-part unit. I know in the beginning I said that it was a 4x4 lace closure. However, I couldn't really tell with the fake scalp that it was a T-part unit. So after I took off that lace, or you know, part of the fake scalp, I could kind of see that it was a T-part unit. So yeah, it is a 4x4 closure. Some T-part units come with all of the lace all around, and then it has, you know, of course the T-part. This one just comes with the 4x4 closure and with the T-part or whatever. I think this is very convenient because sometimes I don't want to glue all around the front part of my head, and just having to glue right here was very convenient and easy. So this would be a very like easy beginner friendly unit. This unit is also big hair friendly, you guys. guys. It fits perfectly for us big head ladies. The texture of this unit, you guys, is just some really straight silky hair. You can run your finger straight through it. You don't receive any tangling nor shedding. Unice is very good with the quality of their hair, so I never have to worry about the quality. It's some really good hair, you guys, and overall, like, I cannot wait to curl this hair because I know it's gonna curl very well. The hair does have like some flyaways though, you guys. I would add some serum to it. If you straighten it or curl it, whatever you do to the hair, I would add some serum. I couldn't find my serum, or else I would have did that. Off camera I did add some oil sheen though, so it did kind of tame the flyaways. But I mean, overall, again, you guys, they still have some bomb quality hair. And yeah, the lace, y'all, the lace melted very nicely, you guys. As you guys can see off camera, I did add some powder to the part, and I added more powder to the hairline, and I think it looks really good overall. Girl, I really think that's all I need to say. Oh yeah, you guys, I did take off that netting part. So I did show you guys that. I took off the netting, and I like to take it off just because I think that it lays flatter, in my opinion, on my head. When I keep it on there, it kind of is a little bit bulky when I'm like girl, I cannot talk. When I'm flattening out the front part of my head, I can feel like the lump or whatever. I don't even know how to explain it, but you know if you know. So yeah, I like to take it off just because of that fact. So I only took off one layer, and I left like the little fake scalp stocking cap part on there. I could still feel like the lump or whatever, but not as much as it would have been if I would have left every layer on there. So yeah, I think I'll probably go in and just take it off, but maybe not. It just depends on how I feel. Overall, I think it looks really good with just the stocking cap part on there. So yeah, y'all, I'll have this hair linked in the description box below if you guys want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, you guys, because you already know your girl posts weekly. So yeah, y'all, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.